to another episode of Live Your Life with Lovett.
Are you just in a relationship with God for what you can get? Just for the benefits? Or for the results? Or you are in a relationship for the very essence of being able to have a relationship with God? The question here is, what is the motivation? What is the motivation? So some people are running after result. I want result. I want result. I want the prosperity. I want result. I want more money. I want more this and more that. It's like somebody that is shouting, I want to get wet. I want to get wet. If you want to get wet, just jump into the water. You'll be wet. Is that not so? Wetness. Your getting wet is in your jumping in the water. Is that not so? You cannot jump in the water and not be wet. You can't. So the results come from the relationship. So there's no need to worry about getting wet. Just jump into the water. What's the deal here? Be more relationship minded this year. Hello? Let me tell you. That is how to sustain the blessing. I'm telling you the truth. That's the secret behind those who don't wear out and run out and expire as the year goes by. As the year goes by. Do you know, even you as a person, do you know what it feels like for somebody, once the phone ring, you see, I don't want to call anybody's name, B, for example. That's the person's name, B. You'll say, hey, tire don't burst again. Or he picking the hospital again. Or he has not eaten for the past 3 days again. There are some numbers you see, you already know. See, one of my mentors said something. When I read it, I started laughing. He said, some things are bills. Some people are bills. Some people are investments. He said, receive grace to discern from the two. Differentiate the two. When you are always a bill, they go tire for you. Are you letting me want to, they will be tired. Even when somebody, even if it's your own brethren, there's a point it gets to. When you are calling, they won't pick that call. But it's not your portion. Are you hearing me? You are not the one that they'll be running from. You are the one that people will be excited to receive your call. I declare from today, it shall be an honor for them to see your call from today. It shall be an honor. So, just imagine, I'm just trying to use that as an illustration. That if every time a particular person is calling you is when they are in need, they want to collect something. Imagine how you will feel, let alone God. So when time reaches you, now say, prophetic class don't start. They say we should write our goals, our prayer requests. It don't reach 50. Lord, give me this. I want you to also do this one for me. I wouldn't mind if you had this one too. Add a car. Do I need to change more clothes? I need more allowance. At least 10 people that will be giving me 10K every month. Lord, let your favor. Pastor said the favor will work for me. Father, bring up to 20 people that every month will be putting recharge card in my phone. You know, and God will be looking at him and say, which one? You'll say, NJ2 forces. Are you sure I'm the one that gave birth to this one? Okay, I'm not there to really ascertain that, but just the picture. So just imagine what it's like to relate with such a person. Even if it's your spouse, there's a point you get to, my dear. Is it only when you need money that you are happy and you are smiling at me? When I enter the house, you are hailing me. That's when I know from the door that you want to ask for money. They go of the compound. They go the chief. Oh, the baba. When you don't have it, you say, hey, how much do you want? Meaning, let's stop the charade. Just go straight to the point, I beg you. Don't waste my... Is that not so? So you can imagine. So if it's like that with human beings, let me not belabor that point. But if it's like that with humans, and you can feel that way, what about God? You get it now? Yeah. What about God? God is not partial. It is how you position yourself that determines what you get. is how you position yourself. That's why David said, for thou will show me the path of life. In your presence, there is fullness of joy. And at your right hand, there are pleasures forevermore. There are some things you can't buy with money. There are some things you can't buy with money. You can't. In your presence. You will not miss it this year. I know that the reason why God is bringing this is so that every good thing that God has mapped out and set for you this year will not go to another. Somebody shout it, my crown will not go to another this year. It's okay for us to rejoice with our neighbor, but this year, they will rejoice with you. Thank you for sending congratulatory messages to other people. I said this year, it is your turn. It is your turn to be congratulated. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ.
Thank you for listening. We do hope you have been blessed by those wonderful, life-transforming words. Join us next week for another episode of Live Your Life with Love It. For more information, log on to our website www.liveyourlifeinternational.com. Follow us on all our social media platforms at Live Your Life International. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Live Your Life with Love It for more powerful messages. For prayers and counseling, call +234 8032 957161 or +234 8055 418986. Call and WhatsApp. You can also send your questions to loveitministry@gmail.com. Live your life according to God's purpose.